stick the foam and make a wedge with Velcro on it, stick it on the underside of it to keep that up.
The whole thing.
Yeah. then I could adjust it. I still haven't done it. I think I can do it, Brian.
What do you mean, moron? So where are we going, Carlos?
All right, we're going to go over there.
Looks like Mike's going to be
So
driving
let's go.
Yeah, they clearly saw your hand.
Yes. Nailed it.
Come on, Tyler. Get some exercise in.
I don't want to hear that coming from a double lard like you.
Hi, you don't see me complaining when it comes to this stuff.
No, but I see you rolling down the hill.
Oh, well played. What you laughing at? You ain't much better, Big Zone.
Because we're going the long way or the dark way.
I say we go the
I like
dark
the
way.
dark way.
We're going left.
Of course you like it dark.
Or let's just go right, actually.
Specify who's right and who's left. That don't mean political.
I'm neither. I am the middle of the road.
Centrist bastard.
That's what it's called. Okay.
Cadwalk. Cadwalk? Is that what they call it?
Let's go over the. No, we can't go over there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's trespassing. And I, sir, do not want to break the law.
The main pathway's over here, actually. So.
Oh no, an ambulance! Oh wait, no, that's just Anthony.
You're a Twinkie, and I'm not afraid to eat you.
Certain checkpoints, you know what I'm saying? Like you got signs right here.
You and your damn checkpoints. Gotta say. Did he just do the noise too?
Yes, he did.
That's part of his bit.
Yeah, we know it's part of the bit.
How far do we have to go?
Hey, look at this. We're on the border.
Why? Not like you have a hot date.
Looks like we're heading to my house, guys.
Never had one. Shut up, Anthony.
What a swampy looking area. We might be
So
able
now
to
we're
find
into
a real life
30,000
King K rule in here.
You think it'll look like Anthony?
Oh, there he is, right there.
Holy crap! Oh no, it's just Anthony. Never mind.
I don't have the crown. I have enough. I had enough I can
It
throw.
must be some weird, deformed-looking crocodile or alligator, whatever it is.
Did I let it go?
Go.
Now do the snake.
Yes, you did.
Okay.
Well, I can just do this.
Well, can't you just do the flicker? Why are you doing it through your chin?
Brain actually amplifies it.
What
No
brain?
joke.
Something alpha waves.
You set yourself up for that one.
I don't know, that sounds like a
I have no idea what you're talking about, Tyler.
My brain.
No one ever understands these. I'll show them.
We don't speak
I'll
PG.
show them all. Ah! You're lucky I didn't get the blade.
Interior
No,
crocodile
I'm unlucky 'cause
alligator.
you're white.
I drive a Chevrolet Move 88. Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a
It's
Chevrolet.
just
I can see how this is not far from your character in real
Yeah,
life.
but that was also a pressure point.
Isn't that kind of how you wrote it though?
That's very nice for going for a quick walk.
I don't want to walk. I want to go home.
Go for your rock.
I want to go find my basement. Hey, look, it's someone puke. Oh wait, that's not puke.
You know, we're supposed to be up there because this isn't actually a walkway.
Wait, what?
Yeah, but you really expect Tyler to go all the way up there?
Hey, you won't.
Not walking up.
I can.
You cannot pay me enough to get up there.
I can make Tyler freak out right now.
How so?
Here's some good graphics.
We're trespassing.
No, I read the sign.
Bitch.
Someone can read. Okay.
Yeah, he's not Pitt.
All he has to do
From
better than
Smash
you.
Bros.
It just said no cars beyond this point.
Wait a minute.
What?
That was Kid Icarus, not Sonic. You're a traitor.
I can make more than just Sonic references. What Smash is like what you call a mixer party, except it's like you're single and ready to mingle, but instead of getting dates, you're fighting each other.
And there's not enough women.
So yeah, did you hear about
that
the
the
new
truth?
Fighters Pass? What do you think it's gonna
Unfortunately, I couldn't look for any female volunteers for this.
No females?
Well, it's Carlos. He's not lucky with the
Couldn't
ladies.
get the hot blonde in this picture. Damn it.
Hot blonde.
Yeah.
I mean, I found my blue wig
Hey,
today.
everyone's got their kinks. Let's be honest here.
Boom, shakalaka.
So you want a hot man, a blonde
Hey,
man here?
hey, do not twist my words to make it sound like I'm the butt of a joke. It's Not nice.
He just likes to
Sakura
twist it in the butt.
Hibiki from How Heavy Are the Dumbbells You
How
Lift
about
is
twist
a
this
time.
knife in your gut if you don't shut up?
Piss off. Piss off. I actually felt that.
You'll feel it more if you don't shut up.
See, he wants to put something in me and I don't like it. I go straight to danger.
I have a key here. It'll unlock your death. You don't shut
in
up.
open space in Arroyo Conejo Creek. No parking. No
I already got that far, considering no cars are allowed. Okay, I can't speak.
That's where you can speak English.
Shut the fuck
I don't know
up.
if you can see that sign from here, Anthony, but it says road narrow, so it looks like we're gonna have to leave you behind.
It also says slow, so it also says slow, so he can actually keep up.
That's the front to hedgehog kind right there.
It's a good thing there aren't any cars here, Philip, because you'll be roadkill like hedgehogs are.
Okay, it'd be funny if you didn't say it like they are. Otherwise, that was just a bad joke.
I wonder if it'll look bad in CG or 2D.
For what?
About 16-bit or hand-drawn.
Oh.
Have you not seen the new Sonic? Like, seriously.
They're actually
If anyone, he will.
I know they're changing it, but still, it was horrible to begin with.
But you see my new Sonic. I actually pretty much made a prediction.
Screw you on that little crap.
What?
I watched that damn
Did you
video.
try to make it as good as possible, or was it supposed to be like that?
It's intentionally bad, that's the point.
Are you sure?
That's the point.
I didn't see anything indication of that, besides what it is.
That's how you know how good
It's
It's a satire. You have to have a really high IQ to understand satire of Sonic movies. Not even the Rick and Morty fandom can comprehend that.
They don't need to, they're smart.
Sonic
Enough.
obsessed. That's what he is.
Alright, hitchhiker.
Yeah, Eggman can still beat you.
This guy thought I was an Eggman because he asked, "You are what you eat," and what do I eat? Eggs for breakfast.
Doesn't Philip eat
And he
eggs?
said, no, he calls
doesn't
me. He
Philip
said I'm an
drink
Eggman.
eggs?
And he started chasing me everywhere around the house, around John's house that one time.
Oh yeah, good old Johnny boy. Travel agent now, so he says.
I can't trust a single word that guy says.
Oh, because with how much he goes against politics.
What guy?
John.
This is news to me.
Africa.
Remember you were there for training sessions a couple times.
One.
Oh, was he like the army kind of dude?
No.
No.
He was the guy, short Mexican who talked a lot. And he's our instructor guy.
Oh, that guy.
Yes, he's the one who kept telling us how to do it.
Fuck that guy.
Look, Phil, a slow sign.
Take that advice. Slow down, Philip. So be in the shot.
What's in the bush?
Oh, here's a feat. Try walking backwards. All of you guys. Not moonwalk.
You sure as hell try.
I have a hard time going forward. What makes you think I can go backwards?
If you roll fast enough, then you can do it.
Neither can pigs.
Oh.
If you punch him in the nose,
okay.
will they actually like flee away?
Yeah, to be
Or
honest,
try.
I did not consent to this hike.
You know what, Tyler? You got us. We tricked you into hiking by saying it's a video. Dude, where are you going?
Zesty! Oh, wait, that was your thing.
I can't turn his wrist, right?
Left, it's oopsie.
Oh my god, I think I can.
I thought it was Tuesday.
No, I can't.
I say zesty.
No, I'm pretty sure it's oopsie.
I say zesty.
Oopsie. Are you taking a dump?
I think it's
No.
Toasty.
Have you not heard the freaking?
Oh, we're around the corner.
It's from Mortal Kombat, right?
You heard the we're around the corner now. What?
Another corner.
The corner.
We can actually make it to Downton Oaks.
With the exception of Philip, we need the exercise. He just likes it.
I get a lot actually from my school.
Good for you.
Are you one of those guys who say, I walk around campus, that's my exercise?
Didn't I just tell you I get free access to a gym?
You say you have free access
But
to
do
a
you
gym.
use the damn
Yes!
gym?
You actually use it.
Lies!
Yes!
You know, I can't find it in myself to care. In all honesty.
Do I give a damn of what you say?
No,
No
you don't believe
one
him.
gives a damn.
And yet you're still here.
Are familiar faces, worn out places,
Oh,
worn
God.
out faces.
That sounds about right. He sees us way too often.
Oh, worn out faces. That's school. Worn out places. That's his work.
I thought it'd be reversed, but sure.
I don't know where to go with this.
John Cena, like rapper. Good show.
Break the fourth wall.
Subscribe. subscribe to my YouTube channel instead. Sonic Page. SONICPAJ.
I'm not your attempt for advertisement for my video.
Well,
Oh,
it's
come
not
on.
uncommon that YouTubers do that too.
You just asked him.
You
therefore
just
he
got
will
channel jacked.
Oh!
Get tricked.
Pretty much.
Well,
Plus, if you're the cameraman, there's no breaking nothing. I'll break your face eventually.
Anthony,
well, it was supposed to be like this in the beginning.
just broke your monthly walk count with this one moment, okay?
I have my DS. I
What are you talking about? When he first stepped out of the car 2 steps later, he broke his limit.
Doing.
So we got Los, Phil, Ty, and Tony.
Ty?
What are you trying to do? Some weird shipping thing? Don't do that.
Give the fans what they want.
No, Anthony, don't take off the shirt. No, Tony, no.
Okay, now in the very end, we're gonna have Tyler and Anthony do a kissing scene.
You're walking home. I'm gone. I'm done. I'm done.
Sign up for a horror.
Okay.
Wait, you
Stop.
signed up for horror or a whore?
I did not sign up for a horror.
Either of them.
You did? Where is she? I mean,
We're looking at one right now.
I said her.
Yeah, you set that up too easily.
You're now. Look at that.
Bitch, don't even try!
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms spaghetti, mom's spaghetti, shoulders are spaghetti, and sweater is
Not again!
Sir,
No!
I have to unlock.
No! Get over here! No! I'm Mexican! I'm legal though!
We're gonna have a white
Not
man
legal
beat up a
enough.
brown man.
No!
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We're gonna have a white
Mister, back off!
boy beat up a brown man. Let's get back to the actual thing.
Fine.
What actual thing?
snap back to reality. Oh, there goes.
I hate you for doing that.
I regret nothing.
That actually scared me, but I'm gonna take a pee.
Okay.
You guys go on a bit, I'll meet you up there.
Do you think I can
Don't
catch
rock
up?
and run.
No.
No.
All right, we'll see you over there, Tony boy.
All right.
Anthony sure is taking a long time. Where is Anthony?
How much bladder space does he have?
Didn't put in.
Uh.
I don't see Anthony anywhere. Well, he's on his own. I gotta go fast. I'll take care of your switch, Anthony. Don't worry about it.
That's what you fuckers get for making fun of me.
Yeah.
死ね怪物のとそや私の最強のヒーローフィリペ・ジョーンズですはは
Did you get him?
The monster has been slain.
Oh, good. Don't have to keep running.
Anthony!
I'm back.
Oh, Anthony! Oh, thank God you're here. I was worried that monster we saw got you. Don't worry. I saved us all with a mega punch.
I helped.
Yeah, good for you.